Hello guys, I will show you how to clean your iPhone. It's very easy, compared to all other options how to clean it. It's the best way to clean this. You can clean the ear speaker or just other speakers. It's very easy. So all you have to do, all you need just Q-tips, you need alcohol, rubbing alcohol, and you need just toothbrush. It's supposed to be clean without any toothpaste. So all you do just put the Q-tip in the rubbing alcohol like this, then just make it dry a little bit, not so much. After that, all you have to do just to wipe a little bit here, okay, not much. Then all you have to do just to take the toothbrush and clean this way, and it's become completely clean. Also, you can clean here on the back without any rubbing alcohol, because you have some holes right here on the back. All you do is just click like this. You just put inside, just make some movements, left, right. Also, you can click the USB device where you connect, and that's it. And it's become very, very clean in a second. So you can see now it's completely clean. It was actually dirty before. Now it's clean and back clean. So all you need is the Q-tip, toothbrush, clean, and rubbing alcohol. That's it. It's like 2 minutes to work. Okay? Thank you so much, guys. Bye.